Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I will share how to add texture to text in Canva. Go to Canva, I will choose YouTube thumbnail size. First, I will add a texture. This is a rock texture. I will set it as background and then click the background and I will reduce the transparency. And then I will add again the texture and then go to text, scroll down and click the arrow. Choose type cutout and then add a text that you want to be edited by texture here. For example, I will type here rock. You can change the font here, but for now I will keep the default font. To change the texture of this text, just click on this photo and then click here and click use selected image. So now you have the rock texture text, and then add to design and then remove the origin photo. Now increase the size and then go to edit and choose shadow, choose outline, scroll down and set the size to 2, enter, and then change the color to gray and then back and choose adjust. Scroll down to add more texture, just click here on the texture sharpness, add it. Okay, and add the clarity. Scroll up and reduce the brightness and then duplicate. Select the origin and back on edit, adjust, and then choose dual tone, custom, change the highlight to black, and then back, wait until it become a check mark. Okay, and then click blur, whole image, and add it to 30, and then close it, and then move the duplicate here. So now the rock has a shadow. Alright, so now you have it. See you next video and have fun with Canva.